Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to compress two videos to a zip file on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, access to videos, so we can now start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, locate the videos that we have stored on the Mac computer. I'll go to Movies, go to Videos. Now I see two videos on screen. In order to compress, we can use Terminal, navigate to the file, and then create the zip. In this tutorial, it's not that complex as it seems. We can highlight both videos at the same time, or we can click within the Finder window and Command A. That will highlight everything. And then once the videos have been highlighted, right click and compress two items. This will now turn the videos into a zip file. If we move this zip file to the desktop, close out of Finder, double click the archive zip file, which has now been decompressed to a folder called archive. Let's click in the folder, and there we have the two videos that we compressed and then decompressed. So let's close out the Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.